Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Orange County in Central Virginia, South Central Rockingham County in Western Virginia, Northeastern Albemarle County in Central Virginia, Southern Greene County in Central Virginia, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Grottoes, Oregon, 16 miles southeast of Harrisonburg, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stammertsville, Free Union, Westmoreland, Hollymead, Ruckersville, Quink, Boonesville, Hart, Barboursville, Stony Point, Hannahtown, Carsbrook, Earlsville, Newtown, Mission Home, Amicus, Dawsonville, Advance Mills, St. George and Shady Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Those delays are slowly beginning to recover.